Hi, my name is Manton. I want to show you a new feature in Micro.blog for batch find and replace across your blog. We'll click on posts, and for a while now we've had a search box so you can go and search old posts on your blog. There's some improvements to this. So I'm going to go search across my blog for Austin, city I live in, lots of matches. One thing is we've added a little bit of highlighting so it's easier to see where in the post it matched. But the big thing is this new replace button. If I click that, I get this new full screen interface with some more options. So one is it says how many posts it found, 331 posts. It's just showing the latest 50, so I can go and kind of preview what it found. And then there's this replace field. So just as a test, maybe I want to replace Austin with all caps, Austin, bold text using Markdown, and I click preview, and that's where the full screen interface comes in. It does a side-by-side, so I can see the old post, and then if I run this find and replace, like what it'll look like. So with the bold Austin, I can kind of go through, make sure everything looks like I would expect. Click replace all. I'm not going to do this because it's my live blog, but it will go through and change all the posts. So I can also go through, one common thing that this might be good for is, let's say you have some old URLs or links or images that need to be changed when you're migrating. Usually if you import from another system, Micro.blog will fix those things for you, make sure the images are correct, but maybe you have some old links. So I went through a post recently and just manually broke an image reference, making it old.manton.org, which is not a domain name. So I'm going to search for that, click replace, and the other option we have here is this preview button. So it'll show the blog more like it would look on the web. If I uncheck that, I get the full Markdown and HTML, and I can see that, yes, it found this post with this old URL that's wrong. So imagine you have a lot of these, and it's just too tedious to edit each post manually to fix it. Easy with this. I'd search for that domain name. I click through what I want it to look like. I can preview that, yes, that's right. I can even check this checkbox. I see, yes, that image is loading now. Everything looks good. And then I click replace all, goes through my blog, fixes all these posts. Perfect. So if you're doing a batch replace across your whole blog, of course there's a chance that there's a mistake, something happens wrong. And so Micro.blog is also keeping track of multiple versions. It keeps track of these for up to 60 days. It's good for noticing a problem or you did a replace that went all wrong and edit some posts you didn't mean to. It'll keep track of these versions. You can go down at any time and click to copy the text from a previous version if you need to restore it. So that's the feature. Hope you like it. Thanks for your support.